Betsy, back now. We're talking about this cold weather tonight, but things do get better as the week goes on. Correct?
It does. And in true Ohio fashion, by the weekend, we'll be close to 50.
We paddleboarding. Sarah Strickland will be on the lake paddleboarding on Saturday.
It's this whiplash thing we have going on that's brutal. So get ready because potholes are coming. You know, you're probably at this point hearing bangs, pops, creaks, groans in your house as it's adjusting all these cold temperatures. We have a lot to get through. And here's where things start tomorrow, okay? I do believe we'll be setting records, daily record lows. Now, tomorrow's going to be a special day, okay? It's not going to be the coldest day we've ever had, okay? At least on record, the coldest day we've had is January 19th of 1994, the illustrious day when we never made it above zero. And I think we're going to do that again tomorrow, but it was a more extreme cold that we had in 1994. For tomorrow morning, I think temperatures are going to be about 3 to 5 below, but keep in mind, we're not going to see temperatures rise tomorrow. As a matter of fact, by noon, I think we could be even a little bit colder before we find things leveling off. So these are expected to be new record lows for most of the area tomorrow, with a few exceptions. But the low temperature is not the only indicator of cold. The high temperature is also an indicator of how cold it is. And the coldest maximum temperature on record for tomorrow sits anywhere from 4 to 8 degrees across northern Ohio. And again, tomorrow, I don't think we're going to make it back above zero in most locations. So tomorrow will be another brutally cold day and, yes, record setting. Wind chill warning expected to kick in at 1 a.m. But I'll tell you what, it's cold out there now. It's not really going to be too different from right now till 1 a.m. But from 1 a.m. till 7, 8, 9 a.m., it's going to start to get really different. Temperatures are currently in the single digits. Wind chills single digits below zero for many. We still have that southwest wind. The southwest wind is not going to bring us lake effect. The lake effect is shooting up toward Buffalo at this point. We have to have a west or a northwest wind to get the lake effect. That's not going to be a part of this forecast, at least as of right now. The problem with the southwest wind, you may think it's going to be warming us up, but it's actually bringing in the very frigid air that's sitting up here in the northern plain states. I mentioned it before, literally there is no color here because it's off the grid. We have gone off the color table, which bottoms out at 50 below zero. Wind chill right now reported at Minneapolis, 50 below zero. A heart-stopping 32 below zero in Marquette. That's the type of cold we will have tomorrow, about 25 to 35 below from time to time. Now, with that southwest wind, I mentioned the lake effect shooting up toward Buffalo. You can see that lake effect streaming off of Lake Michigan, Huron, and Superior too. But other than that, it's kind of a dry air mass that we have to deal with. So we'll see some sunshine tomorrow, but with this extreme cold, you can't rule out a passing flurry from time to time. So we'll just go ahead and we'll say mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with a random flurry chance. Tomorrow's temps and chills, there you see it. We don't really make it back above zero, and our wind chills stay 25 to 30 below for much of the day. Now, that is wind dependent. The faster the wind blows, the colder the wind chill, so it kind of comes and goes. We typically don't have a straight steady wind here. Universal Windows Direct forecast. Look at the rise, though. We're going to be 2 below tomorrow, 5 above on Thursday, and then by Friday we're up around 20 with some snow chances coming through, maybe an inch or two there. Clouds and sun on Saturday, and then up near 50 this weekend. Now, here's the next big concern. Rain coming in on Monday. That frigid air that we have is icing up the rivers, so we're going to have to keep an eye out for some flooding, especially for ice jams as we start next week, Russ.